What up, YouTube? Today is Monday and it's going to be chest and bicep day. So far, I got about 200 grams of carbs in me for the workout. This is week 3 of me doing a 3-day split, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And I went from 200 to 300 carbs a day to trying to do consistently 400 grams of carbs a day. Today, I want to try to even get up to maybe 450 and see what my scale says once I do that. So what I'm finding out is in the past, I just have my carbohydrates so low that even though I was getting stronger every week, my muscles were never fully hydrated. So you might have a situation where the scale is saying muscle mass is a certain amount of weight. Well, unless I introduce more carbs and water, it's kind of hit a ceiling and plateau. So as soon as I introduced 100 grams of more carbs in my daily diet, instantly I went up about 4 to 8 pounds in water weight and just seemed more fuller and hydrated. So which let me know that, okay, my muscles weren't 100% hydrated. For example, let's say the muscle fully hydrated is 148 because I was 100 grams less in carbs. It was more like 144, and it would never go higher than 144. Sometimes it would just fluctuate up and down, up and down. As soon as I put more carbs, boom, it went to 148. So that tells me, okay, in order for me to continue to progress in not only size, because think of it this way, as you're getting stronger, you're building muscle, your daily maintenance is going to go up. So the amount of carbohydrates you need, the amount of carbs you needed for your muscles is going to increase as the muscles increase in size. So maybe at one point 300 grams was 100%, but now it's not anymore. So I'm going to up it, and I'll keep y'all posted on what I find out by doing that. But yeah, when I was too low carbs, it works great for being in a calorie deficit and losing fat. But when you see your weight drop a bunch going low carb, most likely it's water in the beginning. It's your total calories. If it's below maintenance, that's what leads to weight loss and burning fat. So you could still technically have your carbs high, your muscles hydrated, and be in a deficit. And actually, as I'm learning more, I probably would recommend that just so visually you don't look as crappy. So when I was doing extreme diet and deficit days, my carbs were very low and I was losing weight, but I looked very thin and flat, and that was because the muscles simply weren't hydrated. All right, so I'm pulling up to the gym. Let's get it. All right, first exercise is going to be ab machine. I've been doing 60 pounds for a while, so I'm up to 65 this week and see how I do. As far as rep range, it's not that many reps, but we're going as heavy as possible on this. Here we go. 10. All right, last week I was doing 30 on the sides. I'm gonna do 35 today. See how it feels. Working up sweat pretty quick. Whew. All right, here we go. Come on. Whew. All right, we're done with abs. Next exercise is going to be a cable fly. So last week I was doing a warm-up set with 50 pounds. This week I'm going to do 60 for a warm-up. And my working set has been 110. I might go up today. Next exercise is going to be a chest press. I've been doing the full stack. So last week I did 9 reps. Let's see if I can beat that. Come on. Come on. Oh, 10. I don't know if I let myself recover enough before doing that set. Oh. But we did go up a rep. Oh, you know what? Looks like I did curls before this, which gave me enough rest. I made that mistake. Yeah, because if I'd done curls by the time I came to this, my chest wouldn't be still fatigued from the flies. But I'm definitely feeling it in my chest. My chest is going crazy right now. All right, so next is going to be a preacher curl. Last week I did about 14 reps with the 30s, so I'm going to do 35s today. All right, 13. Oh, that was really good. All right. See how the left arm does. So I have hammer curls listed. I'm gonna let my arms rest, knock out calves, and then we'll do the hammer curls last. So last week I did 175 for 20. I'm gonna up the weight and do 190.
Good. Direct item here. Oh yeah, every day. The only time you don't see me is if I got stuck at work. The whole time.
Dedicated.
Oh yeah, that's all it is. Just showing up is enough. It's better than not showing up. Even if you come in here and do a little 30-minute workout, that's enough.
Ooh, what you got? I lost count. All right, hammer curls with 45 pounds. Let's empty out the pockets. Here we go. Holy crap. So yeah, vascularity today is crazy. So yesterday I kind of went low protein but still high carbs. You can definitely see a difference today. Whew. All right, workout complete. So I'm definitely liking the high carb diet. Significant difference in muscle fullness. Basically before, my carbs were so low that the muscles were dehydrated. So there was a chance that the muscles actually were a lot bigger than I thought, but I wasn't giving them enough carbs and water. Now that I'm doing that, I can actually see their full potential. It's just crazy, the vascularity as well. My guess is because they're more full, the muscles are kind of pushing up against the skin, and so you can see the veins, whereas when they're not as full, you're just not gonna see that. Whew. All right, well, workout complete. I hope y'all have a wonderful week. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.